Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. I was gonna drive over and see who was handing out evening meds, but the light was so beautiful on handsome Joseph here. And thank you for that photobomb, butterfly. One of our friends there. But I just thought you guys would want to definitely stop and take in all his magnificence. Oh, you enjoying the sunset, my love? Okay, well, we're going to go find some other cats. And we will probably be back to Joseph here before long. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thank you for being here and helping us welcome all the new people. Hey, Deb. Hey, Aaron. Hello, Laura. Hey, Laura. And Missy. I don't know where today got off to. They were working on the cameras here today again, and the Kitten Cabana camera and Tiger Lake were down for a while, and so I saw that the highlights that were playing on the Kitten Cabana were right after we had our 500th kitten celebration, and the party stuff was still hanging from the ceiling, and there was still like 20 cats running around, and there were just so many kittens at that time that I wanted to be sure and capture some video from that. So I spent a good deal of time re-recording that video from the highlight stream and then posting that over to the new Wildcat Walkabout show. I went live from Wildcat Walkabout because I found Afton out feeding Andre, but I think Christina said that it was buffering on her, so I don't know if that's because I'm broadcasting to the page or if I had a poor signal or what was going on. There's Miss Lynda feeding Hoover. I know you guys will want to see that. Looks like he's licking his chops. No, you can't be done. Hoover. I saw him up on his platform today. I don't often see him up on the top of that.
Oh, great. God, it must have been like, there must have been a breeze or something.
Yeah.
So that would have been nice. Yeah. He ate twice. Hoover already ate twice today, so that's good.
That is good. I don't know if you guys could hear her, but she said he ate twice today.
Smaller meals, but twice a day, so we're gotta get some more food in it.
Like having a breakfast and a dinner, is that the deal? Your coffee cup cat. That's funny. Hoover has a platform, and he's had it for quite some time. He just doesn't usually use it. So it's nice to see him up on it. And I'm not sure if the question was Joseph. Joseph's got his platform already. I haven't caught him on it yet, but it's out in the sun, and I was thinking this morning I need to get a couple of trees and plant them down there so that it creates some shade over the platform, or otherwise we'll never see him during the day on it. He may use it at night. He has a Nest Cam that's on him at night. You guys can log into it at bigcatrescue.org/cams. I'm having a hard time staying focused on you and not the bars. There's not quite enough light in there. It was also nice to see Hoover on the Tiger Lake highlight camera because the highlights were from back when he was in there. Who's next?
The usual two suspects, Joseph and Zeus. We seem to catch me right at the same time. So.
That little latch was sticking out.
Yeah.
All right, we'll head back to Joseph and Zeus. Hi, Keisha. Hello, sugar. There goes Miss Lynda. There she goes.
Lynda, are you on radio?
It's 90 degrees.
Yes, go ahead. I picked up Will in front empty plate and put in and Will back together. Thank you.
Looks like you're trying to get Duchess to come over for some bloodsicle. We freeze the blood that drains off of the meat every day and turn them into ice cold treats for the cats by freezing it. And then the keepers hand out enrichment, some form of enrichment. Oh dear, underpinning fell off. So they always get something different every day. We are drawing a winner, a random winner, from the people who have made the Call of the Wild. If you know what the Call of the Wild is, go do it again. And if you don't know what the Call of the Wild is, you can go to bigcatact.com, fill in your information. This is only for U.S. citizens, unfortunately, because it goes through to your congressional member, and if you're not a U.S. citizen, it's not going to go to anybody. So go to bigcatact.com, fill in your information. Once you do, it will actually dial the phone to your representative. It knows who it is, even if you don't know, based on your zip code. And when somebody picks up on the other end, or like right now, it's after hours, so nobody's going to pick up on the other end, you just get an answering machine. All you need to say is, please ask your boss to champion the Big Cat Public Safety Act. Please ask your boss to champion the Big Cat Public Safety Act. And we're going to pick one winner every single day who's going to win a beautiful black and white Big Cat Rescue logo wristband that we will mail to you based on the address that you used to make the call. We'll have to figure out something else for our non-US fans so that we can get you guys some cool gear too. Are you all excited? Are you so excited you're drooling? Oh my goodness.
Are you drooling?
It's all drippy.
It is true.
Whoever just donated that $10, thank you.
I am. You are drooling. My word. My word. You hungry? Oh my God. Do you have a bad... That's a lot of drool. It's not a bad tooth. How about tooth?
Looks like it was Solveig that donated. Thank you so much. Luana, I'm glad you're here. I forgot to let you know I was going live again.
You're so bad at that, kid.
I am. Terrible. I never know when I'm going to go live because I always think I'm going to go find somebody and then I'm going to let her know. Judith, thank you for the donation. And then I see you doing something. It's like, it's Hoover! I got to do this now! I can't wait.
She keeps tabs on you, so.
We always feel like, you know, you're watching us, but she's obviously watching you. Right? One more? More? Not that one, that. Don't want that one. Okay. There's something wrong with that. What's wrong with that?
Marky was laying right in the sun, just laying there watching the sunset. So yes, he was panting. He's got plenty of places he could go lay in the shade, but
Yeah.
he was enjoying it where he was. Joseph, I wish you could see all these hearts. There's so many hearts.
They love you, big guy. They love you. This piece of turkey?
You pronounce that Caddy Clemmer or Katie Clemmer? Whatever it is, thank you for the donation. Yes, Joseph did get a brand new platform. Way back in the very back, if you were to go all the way to the end of that big barn there, on the left-hand side, that's where his new platform is. Oh, look at you just spitting that out.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Here, you like this piece better. This is better.
What's that, chicken or turkey?
That's turkey breast.
You don't like turkey breast, but you like turkey legs?
Yeah. Can you get it?
That's fussy. I didn't go pick up the fish. I was going to go pick them up today because you guys hit the $700 limit that we were trying to raise to get enough to make a difference. But there were so many people donating, I figured I'd wait and see over the weekend what happens, and then next week I'll go and get as many fish as the donations will cover. And I hope to do a live feed there to talk about the mosquito guppies, and then we'll do a live feed here when we release them. Have to get somebody to take us out in the boat and release them. Hugh, thank you for donating. Goodness gracious, you guys are wonderful. Up to $100. That'll buy you some turkey.
This looks like I eat that part. That's all that thing in there, other than the turkey breast.
Thank you, Jane. Marie, if this is your dream job, you can come do it, because everybody who works with the cats here works for free. Goodness. Where'd you find a piece to chew? Matthew, I saw something about shirts. I didn't quite catch the whole thing, but thank you for all the designs. I just posted 2 new designs that Cindy Arthur did. They've been ready to be posted for quite a while. One was Nabisco and Mrs. Claus, and the other one was Cameron and Zabu, and these are line art drawings that are really nice. As soon as you see the drawings, you'll know exactly who she was drawing. Quite talented. And then there was another artist that donated a serval image today. It's called Serval Garden, and I haven't gotten it finished. All of the items are up in price, but I don't have the descriptions in yet. But her name is Clara Dudley, and she did a really nice job. A whole different look than anything we've had up before. And those are all over at catrescue.biz.
Just gonna take this, okay?
Can she have it? I guess she can. Is there anybody who can't hear? Hey, Cindy Arthur. I was just talking about you. Judy, thank you for the donation. Yep, he is commencing leg lick. For those who are new to the feed, whenever he starts licking his front legs like that, we know he's done. They're not going to be able to get another piece in him. Problem is, if I put the camera close enough to my mouth that you guys can hear me, then I can't read your comments, so I'm not responding to anything. It's kind of a catch-22. Alright, now she's going to see if she can wake Zeus up. That's always a challenge.
There's some dent things laying back.
It was not for you, Andre. No, you already had yours.
Come on, Doug.
He's kind of in a difficult position back there because he's all the way on the other side of the cage. Zeus! Yeah, buddy, come on! You can do it! You can do it! Let's
Get up,
go!
big guy.
Let's go! Oh yeah!
Come on,
Oh
Zeus.
yeah, you're
Come
doing it!
on.
Oh, you're doing it! Yes, you are!
You're
Oh,
such a
you're
good
such
boy.
a good boy! Yes,
You're
you
such
are.
a good boy. Can you come all the way to lockout?
Oh, yeah, that door doesn't go anywhere, son.
This way. Follow this way. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah! Oh, you old man.
I know.
You can do it!
Come on.
You're such a good boy!
All the way.
So what she's trying to do is get him into the lockout because she needs to give him eye drops, and he's pretty smart and he's not real fond of the eye drops, so he'll toy
Come on.
with her, I bet.
Come on, Susie. You know the way. So smart. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
And we're down.
Right there. Right there. Do you want to eat right here? Oh, sometimes we just gotta get them started. You want the pieces? Yeah. Alright. You got to get up and get the rest. Come on. You gotta come over here. All the way over here. This is where we eat. Come on, Susie. Come on. Can you get up?
Elizabeth, thank you very much for the donation.
Andre says, I can. I'm waiting.
I'm glad Facebook gives me that big face full of hearts when somebody makes a donation so that if I'm at least looking at the screen, I'll notice it.
Come on. Up. 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 Come on.
That's his version of an up.
I know. Come on.
I'm on my feet, that's up.
Don't leave me. Come on, this way. Zeus. Yeah.
Oh, he's such a good boy. He's so good.
Yeah, you know. Come on. You know, through the door. He knows.
You're so good. You are. You're such a good tiger. Such a good
Here
tiger.
we come.
We're going to have a 10-minute drink.
So smart. Here, love. Yeah, here.
Is it yummy? That was worth it. Always harder to get the other eye.
I know, the other eyes. It doesn't lean that way. You don't go that way.
Don't swing that way.
You don't.
Julie, thank you very much for the
What
donation.
does it
That'll
say?
buy us some eye drops.
He leans to the left. He's a liberal. He's a liberal.
These eye drops are terribly expensive.
I didn't know you liked this turkey. Ooh, you like turkey.
Ooh, don't drop it.
Don't drop it. You should have eaten the piece that Joseph wouldn't eat. That was a big piece.
When we picked up Divinity's nuts because she wouldn't take them, she still has a plate of food, so if you could just swing by and pick that up on your way back.
Copy.
Thank you.
I hate to think what the bacteria count on your radios. The people who feed these cats that are constantly going from chicken to radio dial.
I know. You know, that's a good. That would be a good thing to put on the end of day chore list. Would be like to Clorox down the radios.
Yeah.
Suggest that to the cat.
We do have a prescription plan, so it's cheaper than just going to the store like on a one-off, but it's still ridiculously expensive when you figure how much it takes to do his big old eyes, and he's got to have it done every day. Pam, thank you very much for the donation. Michelle, he is very gentle, but they'll still take an arm off just by accident because they can't discern a chicken leg quarter from your hand. Vicky, thank you for the donation, dear. Ricardo, bueno, lindo.
Uh-oh, not that one. Sorry.
It's kind of slickety.
Yes, it is.
Got that one. Let it cut all these little thighs into little tiny strips. So when you have a big mouth, like a tiger, little tiny pieces get lost.
I can just snort those right up my nose. Yeah, we are definitely a no-contact facility. We're not stupid. And the biggest thing is it just sends the wrong message. If we're telling people they shouldn't have these animals as pets and then we're petting them, that's just hypocrisy. Jean, thank you for the donation. Zeus says he is done with us. Be a bath for him. Bath and a nap. Thank you.
Thank you. You want a shower too?
Oh,
This is Catherine leaving property.
get a real bath. Sherry, thank you very much for the donation. It looks like Lynda might be giving him a shower. Beth, thank you very much for the donation. Wow, 383 shares. You guys are awesome. We are located in Tampa, Florida. We had a number of these nozzles donated. I think it might have been Edith Eckerd that donated these. Oh, you hear that? You're gonna love it.
The water gets hot sitting in the hose in the sink. Refreshing.
He has a pool, but he just loves being sprayed with a hose. Does it feel good? Oh yeah.
It does. Oops, sorry.
Aaron, when we get done here, I can swing over to the Texas Tigers.
Alright, big guy. Oh, I don't.
Lindsay, thank you very much for the donation. Look at him. You love that. Oh, I love the shower. It's the best shower ever. I can just smell myself getting cleaner.
Wait. Cooking now.
Thank you so much. I'll get off of your hose here. Where's that Texas tiger? Somebody wanted to see a Texas tiger. There's Andre. Sweet Andre. Yeah, I see your brother Arthur behind you. Where's the scary sister? This is Andre, and the one in back is Arthur. And somebody just donated, but I missed it. they call out that person's name so I can thank them, please. Lynda is amazing. You guys can see Bill the bird back there in the background. Susan, thank you very much for the donation. Hey, Karen Nash. Hey, Lawana, if you're on here, hi Karen, thank you very much for the donation. Can you announce who won, Karen, thank you for the donation. Can you announce who won today the wristband, the Big Cat Rescue wristband for making the call of the wild? Sorry if you already posted it. I know it was Brian Grimes yesterday who won, but I haven't seen who won today yet. I should have looked at the chart before I came out here. That's what I should have done. $535. They love you guys. They love you tigers. Susan, thank you so much. This one is Andre, and the one in the back is Arthur, and somewhere in one of those like 5 cages back there is their sister. These cages are all joined together so that they can be together. Oh goodness, almost fell backwards into Zeus. That would be bad. Yep. Who has beautiful eyes? Look at the sun in your eyes. Oh. Yep. I can't get up close to the wall with him. Beverly, thank you so much. Because he can move too fast. He could tear my face off while I was trying to get you an up-close shot of him. But Zeus is pretty slow. Alright, Zeus. We're going to call it a night. Pickles, thank you very much for donating. So if you guys watch our Explorer cameras, we have 9 Explorer webcams out here. There are 3 of them that have new infrared lighting on them, so you'll be able to see the cats at night. I saw some screenshots that some of the people who watch on Explorer, the Explorers, had posted some screenshots of Vacation Rotation, and it looks so cool. They also posted Bobcat Rehab, and that looked pretty cool. The one on Tiger Lake might be ready tonight. I know they were talking about hooking up the electric to it, so I'm really hoping that that's going to be the case, and you guys will be able to see Andy and Seth swimming at night, so that'll be very cool. Sharon, thank you very much for donating. Today's winner. Oh, I missed it. Unfortunately, when I'm seeing the comments, I only catch like the first 5 words and then it cuts you off. So apparently Lawana just posted who won today, and I hope you guys saw it because I missed it or I would have called out to them. Alrighty. Hey, Vicky. So I am, he is a soggy tiger. He's all wet. Alright, I'm going to call it a night. Love you guys. Thank you so much.